Hi, today we're going to make this easy emerald smoky eye look for a New Year's Eve party. Okay, these clips are not working in my favor today. I popped into Ulta and got this Color Pop palette called High Tide. It has some beautiful emerald green and ocean green colors. I think this color is going to be probably part of the mix, and this color as well. And I also picked up this green eyeliner from Dojo Cat. Ooh, I love that gold forest green kind of color. I love that, so I'm excited to wear that as well and see how that looks with this look. And I already applied my base makeup, so I'm just gonna get right into the eyes. I'm gonna zoom right into the eyes. We're gonna start with Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion and spread that all over the eyelid. I think as a base, I'm going to start with this sparkly lighter tone, just a splash. I'm going to place that all over my eyelid. Going in next with Must See, pressing it in gently toward my crease. And just making sure there's no fallout on my bottom lashes. And forgive my eyebrows for being a little bit wild. Even though my shadow's not finished, I really like to add the liquid eyeliner now. I'm just following my upper lash line and making a slight flick up. Look at that beautiful green. I love this liner. Switching to this eyeliner brush. It's very thin. I love it. It's from Amazon. We're going in with Lunar, and we're gonna press in just to make a nice fine line. Follow the eyeliner line that I just made just to strengthen it. The two tones match each other really nicely. And this is when I'm going to pull out that line just a little bit more to make it a little bit more intense. Now I'm going to go in with Muscle Beach. It's more of a green-gray metallic, and with this just tiny little brush from Real Techniques to strengthen the edging a little bit more. And we're going to take this brush and bring it toward the center just a little bit. Now I'm going to take this fluffy brush and blend it out on both sides. This color right here called Refloating. Just with my finger, I'm going to press some onto my eyelid. And we're going to take Lunar again and just add a tiny bit to the bottom lash. Oops, there's the fallout again. Okay, so Lunar is the culprit for fallout. I'm going to take this tiny little brush and just brush that out a little bit. I'm using Buxom mascara, my favorite mascara. And to sharpen this line a little bit more, I'm going to have the concealer go up toward that line. I'm going to line my lips with this NYX retractable lip liner. The color is Nude Pink. On top of that, I'm going to add Fenty Pro Kisser in Pinch Me. It's a luscious lip balm. I have not used this curling wand from Revlon in so long, but it is a good curling wand and a nice barrel, and we're going to go in and make some waves to my hair. A few added touches to the outfit. My nails are painted in this beautiful metallic green tone from Zoya nail polish. I also have this gold necklace that has a green silk ribbon that's weaved in through the top of it. You can just see the green right through the top. And I also have this beautiful faux fur. It's very dark green. I absolutely love it. It adds a bit of a nice touch because it is winter. I hope this video inspired your New Year's Eve look. Have a wonderful, happy New Year's.